Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix all the screen problems in VS Code. If your VS Code screen becomes black, blank, blurry, or it basically flickers. So in this video I will show you all the potential fixes, how to fix that problem. So first of all, you need to close your VS Code and directly open the terminal from here. And here you first of all need to disable the graphical processing unit, like your GPU. If your VS Code is being used by GPU, the command that you need to write is code dash dash disable dash GPU. So go to the terminal, simply write this command. Just wait, let me zoom in so that I can clearly show you what command that you want to write it. So you just need to write this command code dash dash disable dash GPU. So this will actually disable GPU for a temporary amount of time, and just press enter. After you press enter, your Visual Studio Code will directly open without GPU, and now it will fix that problem for you. And if you want to, if this solves your problem, then you can permanently disable the Visual Studio Code inside your graphical processing unit. So whatever is your graphics card, you basically just search here graphics settings in the start menu. So inside the graphic settings menu, you just need to select your app if the app is added. So in my case, as you see, I have added this Visual Studio Code inside my GPU. So from here you can remove that app or simply remove this. As you can see, it's using my GPU. So this can cause the screen to flicker, become black. So potentially you can turn this off. This is the first fix. Now, if this doesn't solve your problem, then we have a second solution for you. You need to first of all go to C drive, and inside the users directory, inside your whatever is your username, and inside this there is this app data folder. You need to go to this folder, and inside this we have this roaming folder, and inside this you will have this code folder. This is actually Visual Studio Code folder. Inside this, there will be this folder which is GPU cache. The GPU cache is actually the folder where all the files are present related to your GPU. So first of all, just delete this folder. So once you delete this folder and then restart your VS Code. So this can also just prevent this black screen, flickering, blank screen, all these screen issues in VS Code. And now coming to the blurry screen, if your VS Code screen becomes blurry, then there is this, you can go to view and go to appearance, and inside the appearance you can reset the zoom level by toggling this. Simply toggle this and this will reset your zoom level. Whatever is your zoom level, it will make it to default. Just go to view, appearance, and reset zoom. After that, we also have if you have the screen flickering, again I showed you the command here. You need to, this will prevent, most of the time this will solve the problem for you. And then if your terminal is not visible, in that case you can go to view again, view appearance, and this reset layout, this will be an option right here. You need to toggle this option, reset layout. Yeah, so panel position, active art. So just stick to these default options. Just pause the video and stick to the default option. And after that, these are some of the fixes, guys. If this fix your problem, then it's well and good. If doesn't fix your problem, then you need to reinstall your VS Code. That will potentially 99% of the time it will fix the problem for you. So wherever your Visual Studio Code is installed, we just need to uninstall and install a fresh copy. So potentially you just need to run the uninstall type and completely remove the Visual Studio and reinstall it. This will potentially will solve the problem. So definitely tell me in the comment section which solution solve your problem, and also like the video.